All right, hi ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what happened to the last portion of my video, but thank you to the student that informed me that there was an issue. I'm going to redo question D and E. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 5 equals 16. There are actually 2 methods that we can use. There is one method that we use when we can change the base of our problem to be the same number. Like I can turn 16 into 2 raised to the power of 4. So I get 2 to the power of x minus 5 equals 16 will then become 2 raised to the power of 4. Of course, now that they're the same base, I can drop them. And I can set the exponents equal to each other and solve, plus 5, to get x equals 9. But there is also another method that I want to show you guys that is much more helpful for your homework. And what we do is we use the exponential rule for logarithms. So what it means is to move an exponent down so that you can work with it, all you have to do is take the log of both sides. So this is what I mean. So if I have 2 raised to the power of x minus 5 equals 16, what I have to do is I have to take the log of both sides. So this becomes log 2 x minus 5 equals log. We'll just keep that at 16. Okay, so I get log 2 and x minus 5 equals log 16. Now what happens is this means that I can take, let's see, do I want to show you this way? Oh, no, I'm sorry, I take that back. I want to make that a log base 2. There we go, that's what I wanted. Which means that I can then take that 2, and he's gone. And what will happen is that I can then move that x minus 5 down because that log base 2 of 2 cancels each other out. And then I have my log 2 of 16 here. And then what I will do is I will add 5 to the other side so that in my calculator, well, actually not quite yet, I will have log 2 of 16 plus 5. Now what happens is I will have to use the change of base formula on that log 2 of 16. So in my calculator, I will actually put log of 16 on the top, log of 2 in the bottom, and then I will do plus 5. Remember, when you're doing this, you'll have parentheses that you'll, of course, close out. And then you'll do plus 5 at the end. And of course, whenever you plug this into your calculator, you will get an exact answer of 9. But there are plenty of problems on your homework where you will get decimals. So you'll just go slow, be meticulous. Okay, and I'm going to work problem E exactly the same way that you'll need to do your homework problems. So we're going to pretend like I can't turn 32 into a 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so I'm going to work him like I would the logarithm problem. So what I'll do is I'll say I need a log base of 2 to cancel out that 2 to the power of, sorry, that's a 14x minus 9. And then I'll use a log 2 of 32 on this side. So again, I use that log base 2 of 2 to cancel out that 2. So I can then bring the exponent down so that it becomes a 14x minus 9 equals log 2 of 32. Now I'm going to work it like I would any other problem. I move the 9 over first, so that becomes a plus 9. So I get 14x equals log 2 of 32 plus 9. And then, of course, I'm going to divide the whole thing by 14. So every single thing on this side becomes divided by 14. So in my calculator, let me see if I can pull up my calculator really quickly for you. All right. Sorry, guys. I want my Wabbit. All right, so give it just a second. Okay, so in my calculator, I'm going to do this one at a time. Let me move this down so that you can see it. All right, I'm going to plug in log 32. Well, sorry, we obviously know that this becomes a change of base. So this becomes a log 32 over a log 2. Again, this is plus 9, and then all of it at the end is divided by 14. So when we go to do this, we piecemeal it. We do parts, okay? We're going to do log 32 divided by log 2. Enter. And then we're going to add 9 to it. And then we're going to divide by 14. Our answer in this case is 1. But in your homework, you might get a decimal, and that's okay. Just remember, you're going to do it piece by piece. You'll do the change of base first, then you'll add whatever number you have, and then finally divide by that 14 that's dividing everything at the very end. If you have any questions, please, please, please reach out to me. I will help.